Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix WordPress website break again and again. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see website layout. Website layout not show correctly due to cache or website resources. So we are going to fix it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP optimize clean compress cache. So this is plugin we will use. So click on install now and then click on activate it. Now plugin is activated. On left side you see WP optimize. So click on it and then you see multiple option database, images, cache, minify, setting. So we are in database. If you want you can optimize database. Now you see. Now on top you see cache. So click on it. And then you see page cache, enable page caching, saving, and then you see save changes. So click on it. Now setting saved and scroll up. You see preload. If you want you can click on this button. Mostly website break due to cache. So by using this plugin we are going to fix this issue. Now click on advanced setting. If you want you can add URL to exclude from caching. Now you see page caching again. So click on it. This is all that needed for caching to work. WP Optimize will auto detect and configure itself optimally for your website. And then you see minify, so click on it. And then you see minify status. Enable this option. Now saving. Now go to website again and refresh the page. Now you see website is loading properly. So we added cache plugin. Our issue was occurred due to cache. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.